Look at this question. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is the first one, a red card. Second one, a spade card. Third, an ace card. Fourth, a picture card. Fifth, a king of diamond card. And sixth one, a black queen card. So one by one, we will take these events. But before we actually begin, let us see what are different types of cards. So as you know, the total cards are 52. This I have already told you before also. But again, let me revise that. So how many cards are there total? Total there are 52 cards. In these 52 cards are divided into two halves. Okay. So there are 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Okay. In this 26 also, black cards also, again, they are divided into two different kinds of black cards. One is which looks like this. And the other one looks like this. This is called spade card and this is called club card. CLUB. Okay. So if you have the pack of cards at your home, you can go and check at home. So spade cards, again, there are 13 spade cards and club cards are also 13. Then, for solving the problem, you must know the different types of cards. So club cards are also 13. Similarly, in this 26 red cards are also divided into 13, 2 parts. So one is, it looks like a, the symbol is like a heart. So it is called as a heart card. Okay. The second one looks like, the symbol is like this. This is like, looks like a diamond. So it is called as a diamond card. Again, this is 13 and this is 13. So that means in all there are 4 different types of cards. 13 spade cards, 13 club cards, 13 heart card, and 13 diamond cards. Now these 13, how are they? In each category, 13 cards are there. So on the cards, 1, 2, 3, up to 10 numbers are written. This is called as an ace card. Okay. After 10, there are 3 picture cards. So they are Jack, Queen, and King. So these are the picture cards. So in all total, how many picture cards are there? 3 in each category. So that means 12. Correct? And how many Jack cards are there? 1 in each category. So there are 4. Queen cards, again 4. And King cards, also 4. So this is the denomination of the cards. So you must know this before we actually start solving the problem. Okay. So I hope everybody has got cleared this. Okay. Now let us go back to our problem. Look at this question. One card, a card. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. So from the pack of 52 cards, you are drawing one card. Okay. So one card can be drawn in how many different ways? Look at the combination. 52C1. Out of 52 cards, you are selecting one card. So it can be done in 50. Any one of the 52 cards can come in your hand. So 52C1. If you calculate this, it is, the answer will be 52. Out of 52, you are selecting one. Okay. Or if you want, you can put the formula, and with formula also you can get 52 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 52 minus 1. That is 51. If you want, you can do it by using the formula also. What is the formula for NCR? n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus. This is the formula to calculate the NCR. Same formula I'm using it here. Okay, so 52C1 is 52 factorial divided by r is 1 here. So 1 factorial into n minus 1. 52 minus 1. That is 51 factorial. If you calculate this, what is 52 factorial? It is 52 into 51 into 50. You go on doing this up until you get 1. Correct? So that I can write as 51 factorial. And in the denominator, 1 factorial is 1. 51 factorial. This and this will get cancelled. And so you are left with 52. वैसे भी इतना सब करने का भी जरूरत नहीं है. It is just obvious. Out of 52, you are selecting 1. So it can be done, any one of the card can come in your hand. So it can be done in 52 ways. Okay. With formula also you can do it. So that is what I'm writing here. So let S be the sample space, because अगर आपको probability calculate करना है तो आपको sample space निकालना ही पड़ेगा. Because what is our formula to calculate probability? Probability of an event is A is equal to number of points in A divided by number of points in S. This is what is our formula now. Look at here. This is our formula to calculate probability. Probability of an event is number of points in the event A divided by number of points in the sample space. So sample space हमें calculate करना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, when you start solving the problem. So that is what we have done here. So out of the pack of 52 cards, 1 card is selected. So it can be done in 52C1 different ways. And what is the value of 52C1? It is 52. So number of points in S is how much? 52. Okay. Understood? Now we have to take one by one these events and find out their probability. So what is the first event? That the card drawn is a red card. Now look at what is this question. It says that अगर आपने एक जो 52 कार्ड्स का पैक है, well shuffled one, मतलब अच्छी तरह से उसको shuffle किया है, and if you are selecting one card, what is the chance that the card which has come in your hand is a red color card? What is the probability of that? Okay, so this is what we are going to calculate. So what we will do, we will call that as an event. Let us call that as an event A. So that is what I'm doing here. Look at here. Let A denotes the event that the card drawn is a red card. Okay. Now how many red cards are there? 26 red cards. No? So from 26 red card, 1 card. How many ways it can be done? 26C1. So that is what I have written here. There are 26 red cards and 1 red card can be drawn from these 26 red cards in how many ways? 26C1 different ways. And the 26C1 का answer कितना आएगा? 26. If you want, you can do it by using the formula or otherwise by common sense also. 26C1, 26 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 26 minus 1. That is 25 factorial. This is 1 into 25 factorial. This and this will get cancelled. So you will get this. We have done so many times. So I am not doing it again. अगर यहाँ पर आप एक ही कार्ड ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं 26 में से, तो it can be done in 26 different ways. So what is number of points in A? It is 26. Okay. Now find out the probability of event A. What is your formula? Number of points in A divided by number of points in S. How many points are there in A? Look at here. 26. And how many points were there in S? S में कितने points थे? Look at here. 50. Number of points in S is 52. So put the value. 26 upon 52. What will be the answer? It is 1 by 2. Correct? And what is the answer? 0.5. 0.5. Okay. So therefore, probability that the card drawn is a red card. What is the probability of that? It is 0.5. Okay, because half of the cards are red cards. Okay, so the probability is 0.5 or 50% chance, you can say. अगर आप 0.5 को परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो you will get 50%. That means 50% चांस है कि आपके हाथ में रेड कलर का कार्ड आएगा. That is the meaning of this. Okay, let us see the next one. So one thing is clear, जिस भी इवेंट का आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालना है, कॉल दैट इवेंट, गिव ए नेम टू दैट इवेंट. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर ए बोला, ए बी सी डी, ऐसा आप नेम दे सकते हो. एंड देन यू फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी पॉइंट्स आर देयर इन दैट इवेंट एंड देन अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला फॉर प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम? लुक एट द क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द कार्ड ड्रॉन इज ए स्पेड कार्ड. Okay, now what is the spade card? कितने spade card होते हैं? Look at here. Spade cards are how many? 30. So the second question. Let B denotes the event that the card drawn is a spade card. Now how many spade cards are there? 13 spade cards are there. And we are drawing one. So one spade card can be selected from 13 spade cards in 13C1 different ways. 13C1 matlab 30. So what is N of B? Therefore, N of B, number of points in the event B is 30. Correct? Now find out the probability of the event B. It is equal to, write down the formula first, number of points in B divided by number of points in the sample space. So B is, number of points in B is 13 and number of points in the sample space is 52. Find out 13 upon 52. कितना आ रहा है आंसर? 0.25 आता है? 0.2. Okay. Therefore, probability that the card drawn is a spade card is 0.25. If you convert it into percentage, the chances are 25%. If you draw a card from a pack of 52 cards, the probability that the card in your hand is spade card, उसका chance कितना है? 25% chance. That is the meaning. Okay. Now the next one. What is the next question? Go to the problem again. Find the probability that the card drawn is an ace card. Now how many ace cards are there? Ace card means one number का card. कितने हैं total? How many ace cards are there? In each category one, no? कितने ace cards होते हैं? 4. There are 4 ace cards, correct? So let us do the third question. Let's say it denotes the event that the card drawn is an ace card. Call that as a name that event. So I'm naming it as C. Okay. There are 4 ace cards. One ace card can be selected from 4 ace cards in 4C1 different ways. What will be the value of 4C1? It is 4. Okay. So N of C is 4. Find out the probability of C. अगर एक प्रॉब्लम समझ में आ गया तो सारे प्रॉब्लम वैसे ही हैं. Number of points in C divided by number of points in S. So number of points in C is how many? 4. And number of points in S, how many? कितने हैं sample space में? 54 upon 52. Find out the answer. कितना आ रहा है? जीरो पॉइंट, हाँ 0.076, करेक्ट। देखो प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना कम है, 0.076, so you can say 0.876 है ना, तो we can write it as 0.0. if you convert it into percentage, कितना परसेंट होगा ये, कितना परसेंट होगा, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 कितना आता है, ऑलमोस्ट 8%. तो देखो बिकॉज द कार्ड्स आर लेस ना, एस कार्ड 4 ही होते हैं, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट अगर आपने 52 के पैक में से एक कार्ड निकाला तो उसका चांस कितना है, ओनली 8%. लेकिन अगर आप रेड कार्ड का बात करें तो चांस कितना था, 0.5, 50% चांस, करेक्ट, 50% चांस था उसमें, क्योंकि रेड कार्ड्स आर मोर इन नंबर ना, इसलिए. और ऐसे ही स्पेड कार्ड का भी देखो 25% चांस था, लेकिन एस कार्ड का चांस कितना है, 0.08. मतलब प्रोबेबिलिटी कम है ना, क्योंकि एस कार्ड ही कम है ना, इसके लिए. ओके, शैल वी गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन. ऑल आर ऑफ द सेम सिमिलर टाइप. मैंने आपको बहुत सारे इसलिए दिए हैं ताकि यू गेट द प्रैक्टिस. ओके, व्हाट इज द फोर्थ वन, find the probability that the card drawn is a picture card. Now can you do this problem and tell me the answer? Picture card चाहिए. Picture card कितने होते हैं, how many picture cards are there in all? 12. 3 in each category, correct? So there are total 12 picture cards and you are selecting one out of that, so that can be done in 12 different ways, correct? So what will be the probability of that, 12 divided by 52. 12 divided by 52. So I have done it here. Look at here. Let D denotes the event that the card drawn is a picture card. I have given the name to that event as D. There are 12 picture cards and one picture card can be drawn from 12 picture cards in 12 different ways. एक कोई भी एक कार्ड आपके हाथ में आ सकता है out of 12. So number of points in D is 12. What is the probability? N of D divided by N of S. So it is 12 divided by 52. कितना आता है आंसर? 0 point. Let us calculate 12 upon 52. 0.230. 23. Okay. So look at the probability कितना कम है. Only 0.23 probability है. Okay. Because there are less number of picture cards. So it is 0.23. So the probability that the card drawn is a picture card is 0.23. 0.23. No? Let me check once again. Okay. Next one. What is the next one? Look at the next problem. Fifth one. A card is drawn. What is the probability that the card drawn is a king of diamond? Now see here, how many kings are there? So total 4 kings are there. लेकिन हमको कौन सा चाहिए? King of diamond. That is only 1. King of diamond is only 1. Correct? So what will be? What you suggest? What will be the answer for this? What is the probability that the card drawn is a king of diamond? इसका क्या आएगा probability? 1 divided by 52. देखो बहुत कम है probability. कितना आता है 1 divided by 52? कितना कम प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज द कार्ड इटसेल्फ इज वेरी लेस, ओनली वन कार्ड इज देयर. 52 के पैक में एक ही कार्ड है, तो वो व्हाट इज द चांस दैट यू विल गेट दैट कार्ड इज वेरी वेरी लो. करेक्ट. ओके, द सिक्स्थ वन, ए ब्लैक क्वीन कार्ड. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ए क्वीन कार्ड, बट उसमें भी ब्लैक क्वीन. कितने ब्लैक क्वीन है? 2. करेक्ट. So 2/52. So I have written these 2 questions here. ये देखो fifth वाला. That E denotes the event that the card drawn is a king of diamond card. There is only one king of diamond card. So one king of diamond card can be selected from one king of diamond card in only one way. So 1C, 1 is 1. Okay. So therefore, number of points in the event E is only 1. What is probability of E? It is number of points in E divided by number of points in the sample space. So it is 1 divided by 52. And you can see that 1 divided by 52 is 0.019. So I can say 0.0. Okay. कितना परसेंट चांस है? Only 2% chance, because there is only one king of diamond. So it is 0.02. Let us complete this. So the probability that the card drawn is a king of diamond card is 0.02. Okay. So you can see that if the number is less, then the probability of getting that card is becoming smaller and smaller. Okay. See, this you can correlate with the live example, day-to-day life example. You see that अगर आप चेंबूर से, सपोज आप जा रहे हैं, चेंबूर से अंधेरी के लिए ट्रेन है. Is there a train from? No. Okay. Let us take a harbor line पे एक station लेते हैं. For example, let me take a station से खारघर. Okay. Now यहाँ से ट्रेन ठाणा के लिए भी जाती है, CST के लिए भी जाती है और गोरेगांव के लिए भी जाती है. लेकिन CST की तरफ जाने वाली गाड़ियां बहुत ज्यादा है, like every 4 minutes और हाँ. लेकिन ठाणा के लिए जो गाड़ियां हैं वो कम है. Even for गोरेगांव also the trains are less. तो आपका चांस ऑफ मिसिंग ए ट्रेन, मिसिंग ए ठाणा ट्रेन इज कितना होगा? हाई होगा, क्योंकि कम है ना, ट्रेन ही कम है. और CST ट्रेन आपको मिस होने का चांस नहीं है, कम, ज्यादा नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि आफ्टर एवरी 4 minutes फ्रीक्वेंसी, ट्रेन फ्रीक्वेंसी इज मोर. तो फ्रीक्वेंसी जितना ज्यादा होगा, आपका चांस ऑफ मिसिंग दैट ट्रेन विल बी लेस. ओके. So this is what we can correlate with the life example, daily life examples. Okay. So I hope everybody has understood this. Let us go to the last one. Let F be the event that the card drawn is a black queen card. Okay. It is asking for black colored queen card. So there are two. There are 2 black queen cards. And 1 black queen card can be drawn from 2 black queen cards in 2C1 way. So it is 2. So what is number of points in F? It is 2. So what is the probability of this event? Formula is number of points in the sample space. Number of points in the event divided by number of points in the sample space. So it is 2 divided by 52. आता है 2 divided by 52. 0.004 you can say. 38 है ना, तो 0.04. 0.0. Third digit is 8. So you can actually आप जब कैलकुलेटर में देखेंगे तो आपको ये आंसर आ रहा है 03840. हम 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक लेना है. तो लुक एट द थर्ड प्लेस. इफ इट इज 5 और मोर देन 5, to increase this space by 1. तो यहाँ 8 है, हमको यहाँ तक ही लेना है, तो 5 से ज्यादा है तो मैं 3 को क्या बना दूंगी 4. So 0. This is called as rounding off. Okay. The probability that the card drawn is a picture. Oh, I'm sorry. It is what? Is a not picture. क्या है ये? Black queen card. कट पेस्ट करने में ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. It is 0.0. Okay. So we have seen variety of problems of cards. If you know one, the remaining ones are all similar. Now, फिर अगर मैंने आपको ये प्रॉब्लम दिया है, probability of getting a red card, इसकी जगह पूछ सकते हैं probability of getting a black card in a similar way. स्पेड कार्ड की जगह हार्ट कार्ड पूछ सकते हैं, एस कार्ड की जगह जैक कार्ड पूछ सकते हैं, पिक्चर कार्ड तो खैर वही रहेगा, किंग ऑफ डायमंड, क्वीन ऑफ हार्ट या क्वीन ऑफ डायमंड, यू नो, इस तरह से देयर कैन बी चेंजेस. ओके, ब्लैक क्वीन की रेड क्वीन या ब्लैक किंग, यू नो, इस तरह की. तो यू इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन you can answer, right? Now let us go to the all together the next problem. So we have taken problem of tossing a coin and rolling a dice, and the third one today of card. So these were very very simple basic problems. Okay, now let us take, see ये problem में मैंने क्या किया, only one card I have. थोड़ा और एडवांस प्रॉब्लम्स देखेंगे तो उसमें एक कार्ड की जगह आप 2 कार्ड ड्रॉ करें तो कैसे करें. तो हम अगर एक कार्ड ड्रॉ करते हैं तो 52C1 डिफरेंट ways. इफ यू आर ड्रॉइंग 2 कार्ड्स 52C2 एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ 52C2. 3 कार्ड कर रहे हैं तो 52C3, मतलब इट इज इन ए सिमिलर वे. अंडरस्टूड? Find out the number of points in the sample space and the event and proceed in a similar way. Okay, so these were the basic problem. Now हमने rolling of dice का भी, as I told you, I have taken only 1 dice. Today we are going to see a problem where I am throwing 2 dice together. Okay, और tossing a coin में we have taken the problem where only 1 coin was tossed. If 2 coins are tossed or 3 coins are tossed, then how are you going to do? So they are slightly advanced problems. Okay, these were very basic ones. So let us go to the slightly advanced one. Slowly we will progress for the advanced problems. Look at this question. I think I have not copied that, but anyways, I will do it here. Okay. So let us write down the question. I think I forgot to mention the question here, but it doesn't matter, we can write down here. Okay. See, while copying it, I missed one slide. So wait a minute, just give me 1 minute. I'll just stop my share and add something here. Just give me 1 minute.